So this box is coming fresh from one of our vendors and it's packed full of cosmetics products.
So we're going to take a peek and see what we can find.
Okay, what have we got? Oh, strong start, Sol de Janeiro.
Perfect.
So we've got the Bum Bum Cream, that's everywhere at the moment, have been for quite a long time.
And then to match, I've got the fragrance, the 62.
Perfect. We could even get them, probably they'll be lotted up together, so nice little set for you.
Yeah.
What else have we got? We've got the Dyson leave-in conditioner, so perfect if you've got like an air wrap or like styling products like that. Protect your hair, keep it soft.
I've got some makeup brushes here, so perfect for
perfect,
anyone
yeah, real
if
techniques.
you're starting out or if you've got kids that want to play around with makeup.
Yeah, perfect, because you get them at such a bargain compared to retail.
Definitely.
What have we got? Oh, it's perfect for travel, so a flat lay makeup bag. So you can see literally everything in your makeup bag, makes getting ready so much easier, especially when you're on holiday.
Yeah. I've just got some like little travel bits here that you can put in your suitcase or your carry-on. Just little bits.
A nice little tart concealer as well. Nice top up if you're running low.
I've got big brand at the moment, Elemis.
Nice.
It's the collagen cleansing balm, perfect for your skin.
Big size product as well.
Yeah.
A whole box here. Oh, okay, so this is a box of all the same products. So it's the Amika, what is it, the blowout spray. So, you know, you can either stock up if you're a big fan or if you're a hairdresser.
Yep.
Or if you've got friends that love the same product, you can get loads of them. Range of colours as well. So we've got another Too Faced foundation here, so it should cover across a range of shades.
Yep. We've got some bits covering the men's.
Ooh, Versace, nice.
So we've got some men's Versace.
Full size fragrance as well.
Yeah, probably cheaper than you'd get at RIP for the smaller one.
Exactly. What else have we got? NARS Laguna Bronzer. I remember everyone was raving about this a couple of years ago, so it'd be nice to get your hands on that.
Okay, so next up we've got some Floral Street perfume.
Perfect. Massive on TikTok at the moment.
Yes, let's have a look which one this is actually. So
it's a nice little set as well, that.
Yeah, wild vanilla.
Oh wow, that's massive.
Very pretty.
Wow, so that's a massive size fragrance and you'd get that at such a bargain.
Yeah, definitely.
Let's have a look what this is. Oh, Christophe Robin. Nice little leave-in mask.
Awesome.
And a nice little set as well, so that'd be nice for gifting as well if you've got a birthday coming up.
Yeah. To match you, I've also got the Christophe Robin shampooing one.
Yeah, so we've definitely got like quite a lot of each brand.
Yeah.
So you can get a nice haul, it's not just like random little bits.
Yeah, it's really helpful that they'd probably be lotted up together as well, so you can get them in kind of a bulk buy.
Yeah, so you've not got to worry about putting loads of different lots.
Yes.
I've got here, oh, a bit of electrical beauty. So the Foreo Sonic Cleanser. This is really good for getting into your pores, getting skin nice and squeaky clean.
Absolutely. Here I've got like an e-spa gift set, so
nice.
it's the signature blends one, perfect for baths and body oils.
Perfect.
Here I've got perfect for anyone who's going on holidays now.
Oh, I love Shiseido.
Yeah, expert sun protector, so perfect for your skin.
Perfect. Well, I've got Rituals, another big brand. That's the Instant Care hand lotion. So if your hands are still a little bit dry after winter, that'd be perfect.
Carrying on from if you're going on holidays, we've got this Bondi Sands Magenta for a rich deep tone. It's easy, it's quick, and
Express tan as well. So if you're going out, slap it on, you've got a good tan to go.
Only an hour.
Nice. Again, full size fragrance from Marc Jacobs. This is Dot. So, you know, that'd be quite high retail on the high street.
And what have we got here? So if you're going out, this is amazing. It's the Glossier You perfume.
Oh, nice little travel size, yeah.
Yeah, or even just travel size like you said.
Oh, so this is a nice little men's set. So we've got a shower gel. Yeah, 2 different sets of shower gel. So, you know, we'll cover for men as well.
It's great that we've got that diversity from the vendor.
Yeah, nice mix of cosmetics there.
We've got this Rare Beauty Fine Comfort, so like the mini body essentials. So again, travel size, perfect if you're going on holiday.
Selena Gomez's line, so if you're interested in that. We've got some there, another one here. That's the liquid blush in Hope. So yeah, if you're looking for a bit of a glow this summer, that'd be perfect.
We've got some brightening serum by Bioma.
Again, another TikTok product. We've got the Benefit Hoola Blush Bronze Duo, so that'd be perfect. Again, if you're going on holiday, just throw it in your makeup bag and you're good to go.
Here I have got a Midnight Recovery
Kiehl's,
Concentrate.
lovely.
Really great brand, perfect size as well.
Okay, then we've got the Fenty Powder Foundation, so again, Rihanna's brand. A range of shades as well. So yeah, if you're looking to pick up a bargain on that.
And here we've got just a little kind of makeup brush.
Perfect, nice little Bobbi Brown eyeshadow brush.
Yeah.
Nice. And finally, we have Giorgio Armani Liquid Blush. So a really high-end brand. So we've obviously got a mix of high street, really high-end, so you can get bargains across pretty much everything. Okay, so that's that box. So we better get this stuff back to the sale room.
Yeah.
Ready to go into an auction, but make sure you bid at johnpye.co.uk.